One thing that I think is going to make a pretty massive difference is refurbishing these headlight surrounds over here. You can see they are quite dated, lots of scale and discoloring. I want them to be glossy black, so let's give that a bash. Very easy to take off, as with most things on a Landy. A couple of screws. So, it's a bit of a twisting motion. Voila. And just pop that back in there. Whoops. And then off she comes. Oof, that's dirty. Okay, next step is to wash it with some warm, soapy water. The aim of this is to get rid of all the grease and oil. You need to do this to ensure that the spray paint sticks. It must be nice and clean. Really scrub it. Get rid of all the oil and grease. Nice and clean. Once it is nice and dry after the wash, we are going to sand this with quite a high grit, 320 grit. We don't want to go too low with the grit because then it's going to create scratches which are difficult to cover up with the spray paint. Nice rough surface for the spray paint to stick to. One more wash after this. So back to the wash, then some spray paint. Okay guys, wait until it's nice and dry after the wash. I have a gloss black. I'm going to give it 4 coats of this, 15 minutes apart. And then a day from now, 24 hours, I'm going to give it a spray, a couple of layers of this. I usually go with 4 of clear glass. Remember to shake the can. I always forget to do that. Shake the hell out of it. Okay, so 15 minutes from now we'll come back. I forgot to mention, don't spray paint in the sun. It causes the paint to dry too quickly and it doesn't adhere very nicely to the plastic, so in the shade. First one doesn't count. Hey guys, it's the following day. You can see I've sprayed only the gloss black. I'm now going to spray some of the clear gloss. Couple of coats of that, looking good. Just want to show you guys how nicely this has actually come out. As you can remember from what it looked like, I'll put a little comparison up here. Now it's time to add it back onto the car. Okay. Give it a nice clean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, looking good. Maybe I should do the grill as well.